In a world where value is digital, security is everything. Digital wallets are the new vaults, but they're vulnerable to attacks from anywhere. A single weak point can mean catastrophic loss. The challenge: how do we protect pure information when a key can be copied and sent worldwide in seconds? We need security as distributed and resilient as our networks. Multi-party computation promises unbreachable digital vaults. Let's see how it's redefining security. Multi-party computation, or MPC, is a cryptographic breakthrough. Imagine a group wanting to calculate their average salary without revealing individual numbers. MPC makes this possible. It lets multiple parties compute a result using private data, without exposing that data to anyone else. Each participant holds a piece of the puzzle. No one ever sees the full picture. Security comes from splitting secrets into mathematically secure fragments, not just hiding them. MPC enables collaboration without compromising privacy. It's a tool for trust, allowing groups to work together without surrendering sensitive information. In a world where data sharing is essential, MPC offers a way to solve big problems while keeping secrets safe. The secret is never consolidated. It remains distributed and protected. This isn't just theory. MPC is a practical solution for privacy and security. It's a marvel of cryptography, making secrets both useful and safe. MPC is changing how we think about data security forever. Let's see how MPC secures digital wallets. Traditionally, a wallet's private key is a single point of failure. If stolen, all funds are lost. MPC changes this by splitting the private key into multiple shares, distributed across different parties or devices. The full key never exists in one place, not even for a moment. When a transaction is needed, each party uses their share to sign a piece of the transaction. These partial signatures are combined, creating a valid signature, without ever assembling the full key. To steal funds, a hacker would need to compromise several independent systems at once, making attacks exponentially harder. Key shares can be stored on company servers, hardware devices, or with trusted partners. Compromising one or two shares isn't enough. The attacker needs a threshold, raising the security bar. MPC removes the single point of failure, replacing it with a resilient, distributed defense. Transactions look normal on the blockchain, but behind the scenes, security is vastly improved. This approach is a fundamental shift from old models. With MPC, digital assets are protected by collaboration, not by isolation. It's the new standard for safeguarding digital fortunes. How does MPC compare to traditional security methods? Cold storage hardware wallets are secure, but if lost or stolen, funds are gone forever, a single point of failure. Multi-signature wallets require multiple approvals, but their structure is visible on the blockchain and can be inflexible. MPC offers a leap forward. No single device holds the key, and transactions appear as standard, preserving privacy. Security is distributed, not centralized. MPC policies are flexible. Signers and thresholds can be updated without moving assets. Institutions gain operational flexibility and enhanced security. No more rigid on-chain complexity or exposed security setups. MPC eliminates the weaknesses of both cold storage and multi-sig. It enables custom security policies that adapt as needs change. For large organizations, this is a paradigm shift. MPC is not just an improvement. It's a new era in digital asset protection. The future of security is distributed, private, and adaptable. MPC isn't just theory, it's already protecting billions in digital assets. Leading financial institutions and custodians like Fireblocks use MPC to secure client funds. Transactions are authorized using distributed key shares. The full key is never exposed, not even to the custodian. This delivers both high security and operational speed, a combination traditional methods struggle to achieve. Major banks, including BNY Mellon, have adopted MPC for digital asset custody, signaling trust in its security. For these institutions, MPC is essential for meeting regulatory and operational demands. MPC enables complex approval workflows. Trader, compliance officer, and automated systems can all be part of the process. The private key remains protected at all times. From crypto-native firms to global banks, MPC is becoming the gold standard. It's the chosen guardian for the digital fortunes of the 21st century. Real-world adoption proves MPC is ready for the main stage. As our lives become more digital, wallet security is as vital as the locks on our doors. MPC marks a shift from vulnerable, centralized keys to resilient, distributed protection. The future, MPC for everyone, not just institutions. Imagine your wallet secured by key shares across your devices and a trusted contact. Losing one doesn't mean losing everything. This resilience could drive mass adoption of digital assets. MPC's principles extend beyond wallets, enabling privacy-preserving data analysis in healthcare, finance, and government. We can solve big problems together without sacrificing privacy. MPC is a technology of collaboration and trust. By embracing distribution and decentralization, we build a more secure digital future. The journey is just beginning, but with MPC, our digital world is in safe hands. The age of unbreakable digital security has arrived.